Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Today my video is about English language. A lot of people asking the question and in searching on internet that how to improve our English as soon as possible. It's the time of smartphone. Everyone is using mobile 24 by 7. So today I will tell you about some application that will help you to improve your English language. I will show you these three application in a detail. You can download it from Google Play Store on Android mobile. It's free and you can enjoy and you can improve your English with that kind of application. So let's go to the Google Play Store. So guys, open your Google Play Store on your Android mobile. Go to the search bar and search Google Translator. The application name is Google Translate. You can see in the above option, click on the Google Translator. Now I already installed that application. In that application it have many features. You can translate any language into English, and from English you can translate into any local language. You can also speak in that application. It will translate your speaking too. So first you have to install Google Translate if you want to improve your English language. I will also drop the link of that application in the description of that video, so from where you can easily look at this application. Is Cake application. Search Cake, you will find this is the application where you can find new stuff, new things about English language. Go and install that application. It will help you to improve your English language day by day. Third application is Grammarly. Grammarly is not like that kind. The two application, it's a keyboard, and if you type with Grammarly keyboard, it will point out your grammatical mistakes and it will give you suggestion of synonyms. So install Google Translate, Cake application, and the third one is a Grammarly keyboard. These three applications will help you to improve your English language. Grammarly will help you to find out your typing mistakes regarding grammar, and it will also suggest you a best synonym in a sentence. So keep tuned with this channel, subscribe our channel, and I will bring and make new video relating English language and related technology. So please subscribe our channel. God bless you.